This hollow viscus is known as urinary bladder. Okay? Along with genital system are there, because prostate is a part of male internal genitalia. So this is the prostate gland. Then we get the seminal vesicles. These are a pair of seminal vesicles. And medial to the seminal vesicles, we are getting the vas. This is ureter. As you can see, vas is crossing ureter. So what is the relation of the vas with ureter in case of male? Vas is crossing above and medial to the ureter. So that is the relation. Very important. Crossing of ureter and vas difference. Okay. So this is the ureter. Two ureters. Now in anatomical position, this one is the apex of the prostate gland. Bladder kokono single deowa hoy na. It always gives along with the prostate. So this one is the apex of the prostate, which is point 10. Now in anatomical position, it should be directed downwards. And this one is the apex of the urinary bladder, which is identified by the attachment of a ligament, which is obliterated urachus. Urachus comes from allantois. So this is known as median umbilical ligament. This is a true ligament of the bladder. Okay, and that extends from the apex up to the upper border of symphysis, up towards the umbilicus, but along the upper border of the symphysis pubis. So this ligament is known as median umbilical ligament. So it is attached to the apex of the bladder. Then we get a surface which is totally peritoneal. So this is known as superior surface of the urinary bladder. Other two আমি আসছি পরে. Now in anatomical position, these two surfaces are known as inferolateral, which are separated by a border. That border is known as anterior border. I am coming out about the extension of anterior border. So this border is anterior border separating the two inferolateral surfaces. Okay. Now you have to hold the specimen with the help of your both hands. These are the lateral pelvic wall. Okay. And this is the upper border. If we say this is the upper border of the symphysis pubis, and this one is the pelvic cavity. So you have to hold the bladder like this. The direction of the apex of the bladder is upwards and forwards. Towards the symphysis pubis, upper border. The direction of the apex of the prostate is downward. Okay. Inferolateral surface, rest over your palm of both hands in praying position. Superior surface is above. Okay. So this is the anatomical position. যেটা ভুল হয় এরকম হয়ে যায়. This one is not the apex of the bladder. This is the apex of the prostate, because this area is pierced by the urethra, as you can see. Okay. So urethra is piercing the apex of the prostate gland in case of male. So this is the specimen of male bladder, right? Because prostate gland is attached. Like it is okay. What is the sex of the patient? Is male or female? Now come to the other parts. So this is the superior surface. Now what is posterior border? First we have to identify the two ureters. These are the two ureter, and if you join the two ureter by a line, this line is known as posterior border. Now in front of posterior border, this surface is superior surface, and behind the posterior border, this surface is posterior surface or fundus, or also known as base. The দুটো ইউরেটারকে জয়েন করলে যে লাইনটা হয়, that line is the posterior border, and behind the posterior border, this surface is known as posterior surface, which is in contact with base of the prostate gland. So this part is known as the base, the upper part. Prostateর ক্ষেত্রে this is known as the base. So base of the prostate gland and base of the urinary bladder, so they are very close contact with each other. Next we get the lateral borders. The superior surface and inferolateral surfaces, they are separated by a border on both sides, extending from the apex up to the entrance of ureter. ঠিক আছে, তাহলে এই বর্ডারটা হচ্ছে ল্যাটারাল বর্ডার, 2 in number. posterior border, 1 in number. Another important part of the bladder is known as the neck, which is the lowermost and the fixed part of the urinary bladder, and that is the meeting point of two inferolateral surface and the base. So this is the lowermost part, a portion. And if you see to the interior, so this is the area from where this prostatic urethra begins. এই জায়গাটা ঠিক আছে। সো দিস পার্ট ইজ নোন অ্যাজ দ্য নেক, যেখান থেকে প্রস্টেটিক ইউরেথ্রাটা স্টার্ট হচ্ছে। লুমেন, দিস ইজ দ্য লুমেন অফ দ্যাট। এই যে দিস ইজ দ্য প্রস্টেটিক ইউরেথ্রা। সো দিস পার্ট ইজ নোন অ্যাজ দ্য নেক অফ দ্য ইউরিনারি ব্লাডার, যেখানে ইনফেরোল্যাটারাল সারফেস আর পস্টেরিয়ার সারফেস meet করছে। So this lowermost point is known as the neck. Now anterior border is extending from the apex up to the neck, ঠিক আছে, and separating the two inferolateral surface. হলো। Now another name of the base or posterior surface is also known as external trigone, ঠিক আছে। posterior surface or base এর আরেকটা নাম আছে, that is also known as external trigone, and it is almost non-peritoneal, except in case of male the upper part of the base, a small area, that may be peritoneal, but in female the posterior surface or external trigone is totally non-peritoneal. So non-peritoneal postero-inferior surface or base of the urinary bladder is known as external trigone. Okay, তাহলে এই হলো external features. Now where it lies? In the pelvic cavity. Now there is the pelvis is there, as you can see. This part is the symphysis pubis. This is the lateral pelvic wall. So there is a space. আমি এটা ধরছি এরকম ভাবে ঠিকই, but there is a potential space exists between the lateral pelvic wall and inferolateral surface of the bladder. Okay, which is filled up by fat. This is known as space of Retzius. কেন? এখানে কোনো স্ট্রাকচার নেই to allow the distension of the urinary bladder. So the space of Retzius acts as a bursa to allow the distension of the urinary bladder. So that is the space between lateral pelvic wall and inferolateral surface, দুদিকেই আছে, to allow the expansion of the urinary bladder. It has got a specific boundary. The content of this space is mainly retropubic fat, এখানে ফ্যাট থাকে, and the venous plexus that drains the bladder, that is known as vesical venous plexus. ঠিক আছে, one is retropubic fat, another is the vesical venous plexus. These are the two content of this space of Retzius. ঠিক আছে, এই হলো এক্সটার্নাল ফিচার্স, ইন্টারনালটা পরে আসছে। ঠিক আছে, আগে এইটা না দেখলে ছবিতে বুঝতে পারবি না। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে বেস অফ দ্য ব্লাডারের রেসপেক্টে কী কী অর্গান আছে? প্রস্টেট, সেমিনাল ভেসিকল, ভাস ভেসিকল। ঠিক আছে, ক্লিয়ার? এতগুলো স্ট্রাকচার।